Guys, this is Allenby Street. It's wartime between Iran and Israel. And as you can see, there are people here. Now, this is not the destruction of the Iranians. We are going to see it because they actually hit that part. This is the new light rail that we are still building. And in Israel, to build a light rail, it's like it will take like another 10, 15 years. I'm not sure that I will be alive at that time. In front of me, it's Ami. Ami, it's Ami. Say hi.
Oh, hi.
Ami is another tour guide, and we are, as you can understand, without groups. There's no entrance to Israel. Oh, this is a very good bakery area. It's an Arab Israeli bakery. Excellent bagels, I must say. I can see a lot of people with cameras because they actually came. Is it open there? Can we walk there? Open. Okay, thank you. Okay, then walking it's okay. Ami lives not so far away from here.
Down the street.
Yeah, down the street. And my house was hit by them. One of my windows actually broke.
Shrapnel.
Yeah, that's true. But it will be. They're gonna fix it tomorrow. Already pay for that. Then let's see what's happened. This is even not the center, but you can see that their glasses are broke here, and we are not in the center. It's kind of
the street that lead to the explosive place.
Yeah, it's on the way to the center.
The street that
Yeah.
lead to the explosive.
But you can see the destruction, and you will see it soon. Then don't go away. And you can see a lot of people traveling here. Oh, now we can see a little bit more of it, and they're already organizing everything. But yeah, I see it. But this is only the beginning, because this is only glass. Soon you will see that houses were hit. Yeah, and it cost me a lot of money. I mean, yeah, cost me a lot of money, but I need it. I mean, my neighbors can see me naked now. Yeah, I did it. And we are still not there. And look at the people, and that makes me happy because the Iranian can try to do whatever they want. We are, yeah.
In the coffee places.
Yes, we are stronger than them.
That was our first leader, David Ben Gurion said, we're going to have wars on the borders, and in Tel Aviv, in the cafes, people will sit and drink coffee.
True.
That's a regular life.
That's how we win, in a way. And I can see already the house there, and you need to see it from, yeah, now it is wow. Yeah, I must say that missile hit Israel. It's good to know that Israel is destroying most of the missiles, not only in the air, in Iran as well. Now, if they are pointing of something, then we must point it to, no, I cannot see anything special here, right, a little bit there, but we are reaching the center. And the real center is blocked. Then we will. Oh, I mean, look at that. The real center is totally been blocked. But you can see what's happening here. It's only one missile. Can you believe it? Now, the difference between the Iranian missiles and us is that we are targeting the government places, and they are targeting civilian. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at this is one of the gay bars at Tel Aviv. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that building, Ami. actually ask us to leave that place, but I'm sure not sure that we can leave that place.
Bricks are falling from the building, so he asked from the people to leave the place.
Yeah. I'm not sure that we will be able to reach there. No, we can go through there. I mean, no, it doesn't want, but we want. We want. Yeah, from there. Oops. I'm not sure that I will upload the video today, mainly because I promised not to show the Iran, the result and the location. I will upload it in about a few days. You can see that there are TV all over, from all over the world. Then I'm sure that the Iranian people know, Iranian government knows exactly where it is. I'm not sure about, but you don't need Al Jazeera. I mean, it's a democratic country. They will publish it anyhow. No, it's very, very close to the American embassy. Did they aim to the American embassy? I won't be surprised. What will be the reaction of Mr. Trump? I won't be surprised if he will do nothing. But because the sun is in our eyes, oh wow, look at that now. That building must be demolished, and not because of the attack, because it's an ugly building, really ugly building. I say to them that I want to destroy that building because it's ugly.
Again, it's ugly building.
It's ugly building.
Maybe they will do it.
Yeah. Look at that building. We are now, I'm not entering names of street names. Wow, I must say. Yeah, it used to be part of it, used to be an hotel. I forgot the name of it. Wait, I want to take a picture of that. But you know what, Ami? It's a disaster, I must say. It's only for one missile, but it's not. We survived. Again, I'm not sure that I will be able to take a picture of the embassy, but I will try to be as close as I can. It's become to be a boulevard. Now, why are there so many people here? Because it's a wartime, and the Iranian can actually send some missiles, launch some missiles soon. It's mainly because we do have time. We know exactly what they are doing, and we are trying to destroy it in real time. But when we know that they are arming it, Israel is sending a message to each one of us. Wow. To each one of us, then we know that we have between 15 to half an hour to find a shelter. And let's face it, everyone knows where the shelters are. And if not, the local people will show them their shelters. And then we are getting a second message that says they are launching. They are actually launching the missiles into Israel, and And we have another 10 minutes to find to enter to the shelter. That in that case, time is not a problem. Now we are going out of the center, but you can still see center of the bomb, of the missile hit. But you still can see that the windows are broke all over. I mean, look at that and look at that building. BY-14 is still a very important hotel, and it looks like almost nothing happened to it. I can see some windows missing. But you can see it here as well. No, not sure. I think it looks good. Looks good. The BY-14, Beni Odo 14, is a very good place to stay. I'm so happy that I actually came to here, because the response that I will get of the Iranians and the Muslims countries is, yeah, Iran destroy you. But I see the opposite. I see how strong we are, and how nice we are actually getting a bit with the idea that we are stopping the nuclear power of Iran by ourselves, not by even by the states. We are doing it. We are destroying the future government of, the current government of Iran. You can see that he's working, and but the windows are broke. And the same guy that will change my window, which is only a small one, will do. I know that you've been here as well, and he's going to do that. I asked him first, deal with the shops. They need it more than me. I can actually take a shower with my clothes on, then the neighbors will see me with my swimming suit. But they need to be protected. I mean, they need you more than I. Although I must say that because of the light rail, everything's closed here. Everything's closed here because it's a working construction area. Now Georgine and everyone else, the embassy is there, and I'm afraid to go there, but as you can see, I'm doing it. I will go to see what's happened. This is another hotel, but as you can see, they are renovating that hotel, anyhow, Metropolitan. Then you can see that some of the windows are broke, but the rest of the hotel looks okay. And it's near the sea. I don't have a lot of memory, then I hope that I will be able to take a video of it. You can see that they are already taking care of the windows. Remember, it just happened today. New windows will be replaced. I've been asked not to touch my window because the guy who will fix it tomorrow, he doesn't want me to be hurt. Hey, nice of his. Nice of him. I know that the sun is in your eyes because it's in my eyes, but I'm turning right. I'm really not sure that I will be able to take a video of the embassy because, you know, the CIA. I'm afraid even to talk about it. CIA will jump on me. All right, you can see that building, nothing happened to it. That building, nothing happened to it. Then the embassy is like a fortress. This is the fortress. Then nothing happened to the fortress as well. fortress or not, this makes me a little bit sad and happy at the same time. There are more than 50 hostages in Gaza in the hands of the terrorists of Gaza, and I hope that they will be released, because no one talks about them now. Everyone talks about the war. Then I can tell you that from here the embassy looks okay. But you can understand how close it was. Now let me show you. They already fixed those windows. They are going to fix those windows soon. And you will see where is the embassy. Let's turn around. And you can see that a lot of the windows of that building are missing. And the embassy is there. Then you can understand how close it was to the embassy. But I'm not sure that something happened to it. Let me just cross it. And Georgina, I'm going to look for your hotel, your beloved hotel. Right, those windows were broke and the embassy is here. I didn't see any damage at the embassy itself. The embassy is to the left of me. I'm not taking a video of it, but you can see that those places have been destroyed, but at least their glasses have been destroyed. I'm not turning my eyes to the embassy. Georgine, this is for you. Your hotel is safe. Safe. Nothing happened to it. At least I don't see anything that I don't see even a bit of damage at your beloved Maxim Hotel. But look at the sea. And let's go to see if there are people in the sea, because I will be jealous of them. Yesterday I saw a video of the alarm that was around more or less this time, and remember we are getting few messages. Then the first message, you could see the people are walking slowly outside the sea to look for a place in one of the hotels. They have lots of safe rooms. Today I'm not, there are people in the sea, but not as a lot as it used to be yesterday. But it's good to see that the Tel Aviv's people are alive and kicking. The government of Iran, you won't succeed. The people of Iran, we love you more than we love ourselves. Then we want you to be safe. I hope that Israel won't target your houses like your government are targeting our houses. But as you can see, most of Tel Aviv is alive and kicking, and that's the beauty of it. No terrorists, pro-Palestine, pro-Muslim terrorist will win, because the good thing is that we are the truth. Sadly, a lot of the Muslim countries are feeding you, the people, with lies. But it's okay. We're not expecting anything from non-democratic countries. Well, before we say goodbye, this is the window that was broke. And the pity of it are the stickers that made or stick by my daughter 20 years ago. And he promised me to keep it. Guys, the best thing that you can do is to subscribe to my channel, to my YouTube, to my Facebook, to my Instagram. All of them are different. It's not the same thing. And write me a comment, a good one. I need it. Thank you very much for being with me. Bye-bye.